Hello fun and learning student of class 10th. In this video we will start our chapter 3 of geography and the chapter name is agriculture. So let's start this chapter. Agriculture means land cultivation. Agriculture means land cultivation. But nowadays it also includes animal rearing, horticulture, pisciculture, sericulture, silviculture, etc. All these things are now included in the term agriculture. So agriculture is a wide term. It includes cultivation of land as well as animal rearing, horticulture, pisciculture, sericulture, silviculture. These kind of things is also included in the agriculture. Now, India, that's our country, is primarily on an agricultural economy. After more than 60 years of independence or 70 years of independence, 46.9%, almost 47% of the total workforce is still engaged in the agriculture activity. And agriculture contributes to 26% of the net national product. That is, it contributes 26% in the GDP. Agriculture is responsible for feeding our more than 1.3 billion people population and provides fodder also to over 15 crore animals as well. And many industries they are depend on agriculture for their raw material, especially agro-based industries. India is a very unique country from agriculture point of view. In its vast area, fertile soil, high percentage of cultivable land, wide climatic range and long growing season provide a solid base to agriculture. It suits to our agriculture economy. Due to all these favorable conditions, India is world's largest producer of tea, sugar cane, coarse grain and some oil seeds. It is the world's second largest producer of rice. India is the world's second largest producer of rice, jute, jowar and bajra, and third largest producer of tobacco. It is also the fourth largest producer of wheat, cotton and silk. So this is all about the agriculture and its prospect in our country, India. Now, next topic is your types of farming. Types of agriculture pattern or types of farming. So there are basically four different farming system are found in our different parts of our country. Number one is your primitive subsistence farming. Number two, intensive subsistence farming. Number three, commercial farming. And number four, plantation farming. So we will take it one by one. What is this? See in this picture, page number 196. This is the primitive subsistence farming. Now what is primitive subsistence farming? This type of farming is also better known as the shifting cultivation. And in India, it is widely practiced by the tribals in the forested areas of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland, and Bastar district of Chhattisgarh as well, and in some parts of Andaman and Nicobar as well. It is known by different name in the different parts in our country, like Pamalu in Manipur, Chhaming in northeastern state, Deepa in Chhattisgarh, Bewar or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, and rest of things your homework. These are all local names which signifies to the primitive subsistence farming. Now, it not only found in our country, this type of farming, but is also found around the world. Where it is, and by the name like Mipla in Mexico, it is known as Mipla in Mexico in Central America, Conoco in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masol in Central Africa, etc. Now, what is happen in this type of farming? The site for the farm is usually selected in the virgin forest. Forest is cleared, and in that slash and burn agriculture is practiced. So more about it we will discuss in the next video. So in this video, thank you students, thank you very much.